Welcome to the public meeting for the proposed improvement project to widen State Highway 289 from FM Road 120 to the end of state maintenance at Elks Boulevard in Grayson County, Texas. Thank you for joining us. My name is Dan Perry and I serve as the Director of Transportation Planning and Development for the Paris District of the Texas Department of Transportation, better known as TxDOT. The virtual public meeting presented by TxDOT is being provided to share information and to encourage comments from the public regarding the proposed SH289 project from FM 120 to the end of state maintenance at Elks Boulevard. This presentation and other documents are available online and can be viewed or downloaded by visiting TxDOT's website at www.txdot.gov and typing SH289 from FM 120 in the keyword search. November 7th, 2000 was the last deathless day on roadways in Texas. That means that for 23 years, at least one person has died every single day. We all have a part to play to change that. This message is that reminder to end the streak of deaths on Texas highways. We need drivers and passengers to act more responsibly and to help us reach our goal of 0 deaths by 2050. Texans can play a major role in ending fatal crashes with a few simple driving habits. Wear your seatbelt, drive the speed limit, put away the phone and other distractions, and never drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs. So please do your part and share this message with your friends and family. The proposed project length is approximately 7.01 miles from FM 120 to the end of state maintenance at Elks Boulevard in Grayson County, Texas. Portions of the project lie within the city of Pottsboro.
My name is Sarah, and I am both a part of and representing Stantec, the consulting team that is working on this project on behalf of the Texas Department of Transportation. I would like to welcome you and thank you for participating in this virtual public meeting. The purpose of the proposed improvements to State Highway 289 is to improve safety, improve regional mobility and connectivity, and address roadway deficiencies. Important considerations for the proposed project include upgrading the highway to current design standards, improving regional mobility and connectivity, adding highway capacity for increasing traffic volumes, accommodating bicyclists and pedestrians, minimizing right-of-way and environmental impacts, and minimizing utility impacts where feasible. The existing roadway, as seen on the slide, consists of an 11-foot wide travel lane in each direction with varying shoulder widths. Shoulder widths range from 2 to 10 feet wide. Drainage along State Highway 289 is carried in open ditches, and there are no pedestrian or bicycle accommodations. Existing right-of-way is approximately 80 feet wide throughout the project limits. This is a visual representation of the proposed typical section that includes 2 12-foot wide travel lanes in each direction with a 16-foot wide continuous two-way left turn lane. The east side of State Highway 289 would contain an 11-foot wide shared use path, and the west side would have a 6-foot wide sidewalk. Drainage throughout the corridor would be converted from open ditches to a curb and gutter drainage system. A sample of the project schematic can be seen on the slide. The black and gray dotted line is a proposed sidewalk wall. The green dotted and dashed line is the existing right-of-way. The blue dotted line is existing easements along the corridor. Property lines are indicated by the pink dotted and dashed line, and the proposed right-of-way line is the orange dotted and dashed line. The gray shaded area is the proposed main lanes for the State Highway 289 roadway. The pink shaded area is sidewalk and shared use path for pedestrian and bicycle accommodations. The red shaded area is the location of potential displacements. The full schematic is available for download on the project website at www.txdot.gov. Search SH289 from FM 120, available in the Meeting Materials section. Environmental documentation will be prepared in accordance with the National Environmental Policy Act, or NEPA, process. This will include reviewing air quality, traffic noise, social and community impacts, hazardous materials, biological resources, water resources, and historic and archaeological resources. Impacts are evaluated and compared to the environmental constraints. Once the environmental technical reports and environmental document are complete, They will be available for public review and comment. Environmental constraints were gathered from readily available data sources to evaluate potential constraints along the project corridor. This is a visual representation of the potential environmental constraints anticipated for this project and is available for viewing and download on the project webpage. This map is available for download on the project website at www.TxDOT.gov. Search SH-289 from FM 120, available in the Meeting Materials section. Due to the widening of State Highway 289, new right-of-way would be required to accommodate the proposed travel lanes, shared-use path, and sidewalk. Preliminary schematic design indicates approximately 32 acres of new right-of-way would be required throughout the corridor on both sides of the road. As a result, TxDOT anticipates a combined total of 26 residential and commercial potential displacements. Not all displacements would be a full displacement of the property. Some acquisitions would result in only a partial displacement of the property. As the project plans develop, the right-of-way needs are subject to change, and therefore displacements may change. On the schematic layout, potential displacements are shaded in red and are available for viewing and download on the project website. If your property is identified as a potential displacement, project staff are available to answer questions. Right-of-way agents are available to answer questions about the right-of-way process, your rights, and about relocation assistance. Information is also available on the TxDOT website at https://www.txdot.gov/business/right-of-way.html, outlining property owners' rights, the right-of-way process, and the help provided by the department in relocating tenants and property owners. The schedule provided on the screen is the anticipated project schedule for the proposed project, which includes today's November 9th, 2023 in-person public meeting with virtual option. Schematic design is already underway, and after this meeting, the environmental studies will begin, including the development of technical reports and conducting additional public involvement. We anticipate a second public meeting in the fall of 2024. After the environmental studies have concluded, TxDOT will issue environmental clearance anticipated in the summer of 2025. The utility relocations, right-of-way acquisition, and final design plan development will begin in the summer of 2025, just before environmental clearance is issued. At this time, the project is currently not funded, so a letting date and construction start date have not been determined. Once funding is available for the project, a letting date will be assigned. The public meeting presentation and additional project information are available for viewing and download at www.txdot.gov. To visit the project webpage, type in SH-289 from FM 120 in the keyword search at the top right of the TxDOT homepage. TxDOT is committed to continuing our efforts to gain public feedback about this project. We understand this virtual public meeting format is a bit different, so let's take a few minutes and explain the comment process, which is the most important part of this video. The Paris District is asking the public to provide their comments in the following ways. 1. You may contact the TxDOT project manager, Dwayne Good, by email at dwayne.good@txdot.gov. 2. You can fill out the comment form available for download on the project webpage and mail your comments to Texas Department of Transportation, attention, Dwayne Good, P.E., 1365 North Main Street, Paris, Texas, 75460. 3. You may submit your comments online by visiting TxDOT's website at www.txdot.gov, then by typing SH-289 from FM 120 in the keyword search. The comment form is available under Meeting Materials. While comments are always welcome, they must be received on or before Friday, December 1st, 2023 to be included in the official meeting documentation. Please ensure your comment is received or postmarked by this date. The public may call TxDOT Project Manager Dwayne Good at 903-737-9282 during regular office hours or email dwayne.good@txdot.gov at any time in the project development process. Thank you for participating in the State Highway 289 public meeting. This concludes our presentation.